The MK Party youth leader apologizes for calling Nkateko a Shangaan. Hello Mzansi, it's a gossip girl. The public is not happy with the speeches that were delivered on Monday. Calling Tsonga people from Limpopo Shangaan is a violation of human rights. When the term was used, it was used to disrespect and disdain Tsonga people. It is a derogatory term and same as the K word. What MK Party did today was uncalled for and should never be tolerated in any democratic South Africa. Shangaan people are from Mozambique. From Limpopo, we are Tsongas, not Shangaan. And worse part, calling us Uyi Shangaan from Limpopo. Shangani people don't exist in South Africa. They are Tsonga people. There's a difference, and that term is offensive to Tsonga people. But yet all continue to use it as an insult. So this is what was said on Monday.
Amandla! Awethu! Comrades, discipline Maqabane, Nkateko uyishangane from Limpopo.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Nkateko Mkhabela, the Secretary General of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Youth League. We'd like to address the comments that were made yesterday by our president at our official launch on the podium. Firstly, mina, as I've said, Nkateko Mkhabela. I am indeed Mchangane. Akaya kahle kahle ile Bushbuck Ridge aMpumalanga. Ngabanye kabakokani iwele aBambini. Number two, it's crucially important to note that Umkhonto weSizwe Party belongs to all races, to all tribes, and to all ethnicities. If you look at our structure currently, we are represented by Tswana people, we are represented by Xhosa people, we're represented by Zulu people, we're represented by Batsonga, we're represented by Shangaan people. We are there, we are seen. Thirdly, I'd like to note that we understand the veracity of the comments that were made. However, Konoso was honestly defending me because comrades were being disruptive as I was addressing. Thank you so much to everybody that defended me. I appreciate it. However, I do need to note that it was completely taken out of context. Umkhonto weSizwe Party belongs to everyone, to all races, to all tribes, and it's not just a Zulu party. Thank you.
Thank you very much, SG. Commander's morning. Comrades, firstly, I would like to thank all young people across all 9 provinces who attended the MK Youth League launch yesterday. We had a successful program where the MK Youth League was launched officially by our Supreme Leader, President Jacob Zuma. Second of all, I think what I said yesterday was taken out of context, but the SG has covered me. The MK Party Congress does not belong to KZN only. It belongs to all 9 provinces. I myself, I've been to Limpopo in Kiani. So the Congress, they did welcome me and I did address in English. So what happened yesterday, I was stopping ill-discipline while our SG was addressing, because we have to be disciplined in the MK Party. But there may be those who would feel that I have offended them. So I sincerely apologize. But what I was doing, I was protecting my Secretary General and protecting the party, because the MK Party in its constitution speaks about discipline. So I was installing discipline on the podium yesterday. But thank you very much, commanders. Thank you for attending our program.
Yeah.
Very successful program. Mm-hmm. Thanks to all our leaders who participated, making sure that we had a successful program. Thanks to the volunteers of the MK Party, the ground forces, the provincial leadership, the regional leadership, the zonal leadership of Achikumete Zone, eThekwini Region Youth League, the mother body. We thank all 9 provinces who attended, and detachment as well. Kwaza Umkhonto Kwaza.
Kwaza.
Word on the street is that a new party will be announced tomorrow. Floyd Shivambu is going to spill the beans. Kota Fambango Fuka MK Party. Media invitation press conference addressed by former MK Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu. Members of the media are invited to attend press conference to be addressed by the former Secretary of the Umkhonto weSizwe, Floyd Shivambu. The briefing will focus on critical national matters currently confronting South Africa. Press conference detailed tomorrow on Thursday, 19th of June 2025 at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. The venue will be at Mohulu Luxury Boutique Hotel in Midrand. Strictly accredited media houses will be permitted to attend to cover the press conference. Media representatives are kindly requested to RSVP. So we'll just have to wait and see what's going to happen tomorrow. What will Floyd say at the press briefing? Bye-bye.